Hello, so let's try to build some sort of poor man's Packraft with this really cheap inflatable boat. So last time I was paddling this really small creek with this inflatable boat and the material didn't hold all those rocks that hit the bottom of this inflatable boat. So what if we put some sort of tarp under the boat, or wrap the inflatable boat with this tarp. So the basic idea of this project is to reinforce the inflatable boat that it doesn't sink so easily if it hits rocks or something else. To the bottom of this boat I'm gonna install a couple of these swimming sticks which float to give a little bit of that extra floating capacity, because I'm a little bit on the heavier side, but I don't really know are these necessary if you're a lightweight person. So let's start to wrap this tarp over the boat. because all the air valves are located here, so we need to have quick access to them. Let's put this tarp like this. Let's use some sort of quick lock. So we have quick access to these valves. So now the poor man's Packraft is ready, and well, it doesn't look pretty, but if it works, then it's fine. Let's take a look at the bottom also. And this boat is now ready to be launched. Yes, at least this poor man's Packraft floats pretty well, and now it's a little bit reinforced from the bottom and from the sides.